just try to hit me? Hands up! Get down on the ground!
Police are called to a Ross after loss prevention captures 2 women concealing items inside their bags. Both ladies believe they just made it out undetected and quickly walked to their getaway car. In that very moment, an officer in his vehicle is around 5 seconds behind them, pulling up ready to detain both women. And this actually would have been the best option for them, but officers soon learned they aren't alone and this group of thieves is actually prepared for this exact scenario.
Come here. Pat, you run, you're in trouble. Run, you get in more trouble.
These 2 girls. The guys in the vehicle.
Ho, 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 ho. You try to hit me? Did you just try to hit me?
Foxtrot 64, they're taking a 1031 in the white Toyota. Stand by for tag. They just about hit me.
Foxtrot 64, they got the tag covered with a medical, same as what we just had. They're heading out to 100 now. They have to make a right-hand turn heading towards Belterre. I just saw them running from me from the store. I have a whole bag of stuff with me now. Fleeing elude, light sirens were activated, and as he backed out, he almost hit me with the car.
Other officers within the county are radioed and race towards the white Toyota in hopes of cutting it off.
The vehicle is going towards 100 from station 92. They were behind a church. 10-4, we're mainlining with somebody that has eyes on. 6134, I think I have the vehicle over by BJ's construction site now, heading eastbound.
I got 6 at Dodge dealership. I got 6 at Dodge.
6134, I think I have the vehicle over by BJ's construction site now, heading eastbound.
One officer who happens to be less than a minute ahead of the white Toyota has the exact kryptonite for their speeding car.
Someone's send me a picture of that car passing Old Dixie on 95 now. I need
Guys, stay off the radio. We're about to go south onto Seminole Woods.
southbound on 7.
Making a U-turn now, going back towards 100. First character is a Bravo, last is a Sierra. Coming back out on 100, gonna be going east.
Gonna be going east on 100.
It's coming up in the right lane right now. Coming up to Dodge now. Speeds of 75. Our vehicle wrecked out at Amico.
Vehicle crashed to Amico. Vehicle forward to Amico. Okay, right here now.
Shoulder head! Hands up! Don't move! Get on the ground! Lay down on the ground now! On the ground! On the ground! Get down on the ground! Hands behind your back! Hey! I didn't do anything! Show your hands! Show the hands now! Put the phone down! Hey, you better come out now with your hands up. Get over here to me now.
I'm trying to
Get up. Are you underwater?
95. 111 okay, the way station.
Stop moving.
10-4, 111, if you want to go a little bit farther south on I-95, just south of the exit.
Man, keep coming. Put your phone down. Put your phone down. Put it down. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Shouldn't have ran from me. I saw you run, really? I'm the guy that you...
Anybody else in the car?
Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Yeah, there's 3.
Let's give some more commands to inside the vehicle first.
Fire County Sheriff's Office!
Shouldn't have ran.
Inside the vehicle, step up now!
All right, step back with me. Step back with me.
Yeah, step down behind cover.
I'm almost to 100 on 90.
And although the group crashed into a padded tree area, they quickly start to voice their immediate signs of injury.
And we hurt really bad.
No, you're not.
I don't split my hand.
Knees to your chest.
Huh?
Knees to your chest. All right, stand up.
Okay. Oh, my leg. Hold on.
79.
You gotta stand up?
My leg.
What's wrong with your leg?
I hit my leg. They hit my leg.
Who hit your leg?
When he was driving, he hit my leg.
When he was driving, he hit your
Yes.
leg?
Can you help me get up, sir? My leg.
All right. All right, let's get in the shade.
Anything on you?
No, sir.
Nothing in your pockets gonna stick us or anything like that?
I was relieved by the traffic over at the 284 at the Amico.
Oh, you can open it. This is
Yeah,
zipper.
No, I'm trying to take it off of you.
Oh, okay.
Right here. Lean up against the car for me right there.
Fine.
Oh, my leg.
Forward.
Beyond motor.
I don't know if it's female, so I'm gonna pat you down with the back of my hand.
Okay.
Spread your feet apart for me. You got nothing on you, right?
No, sir. All right.
Go ahead and have a seat for me.
Okay. Can y'all call the ambulance? They got on broke leg.
All right, we'll get one down here. Let me make sure these cuffs are locked so they don't close up on you.
Okay. Can you go get my wings off the ground for me, sir?
All right, we'll look at that in here in a second.
Just put it on.
I'm not gonna put it on. All right, go ahead and have a seat. Which leg is it?
It's this one.
Left one, right one?
Yeah, it's this one.
This one?
Yes.
All right, I'll help you put it on, or put it up in there. Are you able to twist?
It's
Here, come out a second. Ready? All right, bring the other foot out. All right, sit down with your butt first.
Oh.
All right, we'll get you looked at, but I gotta get you in the car for now, okay?
Okay.
Come on, I gotta shut the door.
Okay. I'm trying to get in.
You're all right.
It's my leg.
You all right if I push you back? Where's it hurt? Down here?
This one.
Down here? Up here? Okay. I'm gonna slide you back, okay? You ready?
Ah! Oh.
Where, right here?
Yes. It's my thigh.
Okay. Use your left foot, slide back as much as you can.
Okay.
I'll get the,
Ah!
You can afford an attorney who won't be appointed to represent you. Okay. If at any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questions will be stopped at your request. Do you understand these rights?
The woman then brings up more questionable statements that make this theft even more confusing.
Ma'am.
I'm not familiar with this county.
Where you live at?
Way in Jacksonville, Florida, on the north side of Jacksonville.
Why you guys down here?
You see me? I don't know. Anyway, is there any way I could call my kid's father and let them know what's going on?
Yeah, they'll let you use the phone at the jail.
Yes.
What's going on?
My leg, I can't move it. When he wrecked the car,
Which leg? You can't move.
this one, sir.
Okay.
I feel like my head is split, like I'm gonna pass out.
Okay.
Sir, what is this county? I don't know what it is.
Star Rolling Med, Code 1 for head injury.
And leg.
What's up?
I done broke my leg.
Alright, they're gonna check you out. What's the other question you asked me?
Oh, what is this county? I've never been here before.
What is this county?
Yes, sir.
Well, you're in Flagler County right now.
What is that? Where is that?
Flagler County, Florida? Where are you from?
I'm from Jacksonville, Florida. I've never been there, like, out of town.
Okay. So you're north of Daytona right now. A little bit north of Daytona right now.
North of Daytona?
Yes, a little bit north of Daytona. Okay. What you're coming from Jacksonville?
Yes, I'm from Jacksonville, Florida.
Okay. Who's all with you?
Just me, that guy,
Who's that guy?
him in that car.
Who's him in that car?
I don't really know him like that. I know my cousin right here.
Who's your cousin?
Right here.
Huh?
My cousin right there.
Who's that?
That's my blood, cause that's my big
No,
cousin.
what's her name? We're having med coming, okay?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Barking Sheriff's Office! We're in the car! Come out now!
Occupants of the white Toyota Camry. This is the Flagler County Sheriff's Office K-9 unit. Surrender now or you will get back. Occupants of the wrecked Toyota Camry. Surrender now with your hands up or you will get back.
Back's clear. Yeah, it's clear.
Clear.
I got the merchandise that she dropped. Oh, that's our driver right there. Yeah, shouldn't have tried to hit me. Oh no, what happened? I got you on my video when I pulled up to you.
I didn't
Be
try
very
to hit
careful.
You.
You tell the truth. You tell the truth.
I didn't try to hit you, sir.
No, but you dropped that bag. Took off running. Up against the car. You have anything on your person? Spread your feet, please. Anything on your person?
No, sir.
What were you guys thinking? You know you're in Flagler County, right?
No, sir.
Well, obviously you're going to learn now. We don't play like this. Not even close. Yeah, it's going to be pretty bad for you. All right. Just lean right up here because I got all the stuff you just stole that you threw on the ground.
I didn't throw that on the ground.
Yeah, it's funny. I got it all on my camera.
Yeah, you do. That went me, sir.
That's what I need to say. I'll get all this out of your way shortly. Alright, have a seat. It's a big room. You have plenty of room to get in. Alright, I'll get all that out of your way. I got one. We try to be really nice to people, but when y'all do what you did and then your boyfriend or husband or whatever he is to you tries to hit me with the car, and y'all all saw me, that's why you took off running and dropped this.
I didn't drop this, sir.
Huh. Well, one of you did, and I thought I saw you with it. And then how many trips did y'all make in and out? It's all on their video.
Yes, sir. That was my first time going in there.
Okay. Well, we're going to see. Don't lie to me, please.
I'm not, sir.
I hope not, because this is bad. Stay put, please.
Take a seat.
In the end, the woman faces 3 charges: petty theft, fleeing and eluding, and reckless driving. Under Florida Statute 812.014 and 812.015, when you're taking merchandise from a store with the intent to deprive the owner of it, you are committing petty theft. In the state of Florida, if you take less than $100, this is a second-degree misdemeanor with up to 60 days in jail. $100 through $750 is a first-degree misdemeanor with up to 1 year in jail, and over $750 is a third-degree felony considered grand theft, which faces up to 5 years in prison. Prior theft convictions can enhance petty theft to a felony as well. So even if you're stealing under $750 but you've done this multiple times, then you face the possibility of enhancing this petty theft to a felony. Fleeing and eluding under Florida Statute 316.1935 is when you're willfully refusing to stop or fleeing after a marked patrol car activates its license siren. There are 3 degrees of fleeing and eluding, each one going up in severity. Basic fleeing and eluding can earn you up to 5 years in prison, plus mandatory license revokes. Second degree felony fleeing and eluding is when you're high speed or reckless fleeing, which can land you up to 15 years in prison. And first degree felony fleeing and eluding is when you're fleeing and it ends up causing serious bodily injury or death. In this case, when there is a high-speed pursuit, spike strips having to be deployed, crashing, this is at minimum a third-degree felony. That may potentially be bumped up to a second degree. And lastly, under Florida Statute 316.192, reckless driving is when you're displaying the willful disregard for people or property while driving. You can receive up to 90 days in jail or 5 years for second and third degree felonies, respectively, for reckless driving. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. As always, let me know what you guys think about this specific case, and I'll see you in the next video.